This is the slipperiest of slippery waterfalls. I found it. Not many people can access it, or much less find it, but I have found it. Let me tell you one thing, it is slippery. Scoop up a pile of sediment from the ground or the underneath the water, and sniff. Smells kind of like nutmeg and, oh, I don't know, pumpkin. The mountains, the city, the seaside, the caves, everywhere you go, you're going to need transportation. If you don't have transportation, you're shit out of luck. Choose one of these vehicles. May as well. There's really not much else to choose from. They smell like, I would say watermelon with some chocolate. I'll say this once so you can get it clear and understand it. A rooftop pool is a must-have for your hotel or motel in Bangkok. Come to Thailand. Thank you.